Hello everybody and welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm gonna share my previously it has been like 10-15 days my GitHub account has got hacked, and after that how I recovered it, how I what steps I followed for it. So I'm gonna share my experience about that. And losing a GitHub. Okay, so losing your GitHub account is not easy thing for students and working professionals, because we work on it for a long time. If like we are developers, we do any technical stuff, so it's not easy thing. And when my account got hacked, so I was just frustrated a lot, because I thought I haven't done anything, so like why it got suspended. So let me share my experience, what things I have done to recover it, and how it got hacked specifically, because you may also do this same mistake. Okay, so uh, let's go into file manager. Let's go into file explorer. I'm gonna like show demonstrate that how and what happened to that. Okay, so I have made an extension uh, for JavaScript. Okay, this extension application. So I have made that extension in JavaScript. I wanted to automate things. Means whenever I push something on hacker rank, so it should automatically push on multiple platforms. Means kind of GitHub. Okay, so whatever I submit on hacker rank, so it automatically, I don't need to do manually things. So I was building something like that. Okay, and somewhere over here I have stored the token, means like session cookie, into session storage. Okay, in local storage, not session storage. Okay, so I have stored that key. What is that key? So that key was having all admin privileges, means it was having all admin accesses. So what hacker did, he accessed. Okay, like I don't know like where I did that. Here you can see data util dot storage keys somewhere. Yeah, I think somewhere I stored it. Not able to recall it. It has been like so many days, but it has been like 15 days. It got hacked. After that, I simultaneously uh, email to GitHub, but not simultaneously. What steps you need to follow? Let me tell you. So firstly, let's go into my email. I'll tell you that what steps I follow, what email you need to send them. So firstly, what hacker did to my account, let me share that experience, then we'll talk further. So here you can see. Okay, so this is my GitHub account. Okay, so here you can see that. uh, So like GitHub told me that your password has changed. Firstly, that hacker changed my password. Then he accessed my classic token, which is like uh, this person's name something. I don't know. And he changed my actual username. My actual username is uh Pravin 2004 something. So he changed the username to this random username something. And he access everything. He has like um he gone through my security. He logged in it. He changed the security codes. He changed my two-factor authentication. He added his email to two-factor authentication. I'll show you that email as well. And again, what he did, he changed the account's username as well. And he changed password as well. Okay, and I was just like doing something. Uh, I understood that lots of email are popping up. So here you can see there that my two-factor authentication, means SMS registration, has been removed. So he removed lots of things from my account. Okay, and eventually I reset my password. I got that lot more emails were popping out. So I changed the password. Okay, I changed the password, then this is that person's email. Okay. And then you know uh, I removed his username as well. So his email is this as well. And he gone through my account through lot more emails. He might be doing uh, attack kind of thing. So this is his email, and he added that email to my account. Then what I did, I delete his email, then again revoke the two-factor authentication, changed my phone number to back to SMS registration. I changed all keys. Okay. And but eventually, GitHub understood that something is going wrong with this account. So what GitHub did to my account is GitHub just suspended it. And after suspend, I was just like, I was just cooked, because losing your account, it's not easy. It's not easy. I was just frustrated because since second year, I'm just hard working on that same account. So here, like, I sent the email to GitHub that you know. So you need to send email through uh, GitHub has their own portal where you need to generate the ticket. Okay, so GitHub contact support, and here you can um, go through create support ticket, and after clicking on create support ticket, you need to go to support portal. Okay, after going through that portal, so you contact us, and after like perform some sort of task, you just go forward, and then you raise a ticket about your account got hacked, or like um, something has happened, suspended something. So that after generating that ticket, you need to elaborate whatever happened to your account in email to GitHub. Okay, so I sent the email to GitHub. Okay, here is the email. So firstly, I sent the email to GitHub. Is that you know uh, okay? So what I sent to them is my GitHub account is severely compromised, and external attacks. Then told them that timeline of us attack and all, disable my two-factor authentication. Then added his this email. Then I changed to this email. Then again I added this email, and then he changed my username to this. So a lot more things happened. I explained each and everything in it. Then GitHub responded me. GitHub told me that clear all session data, because your session key got compromised, and then a hacker was able to get into that account. Then eventually, GitHub told me to like reset the password of email account, then enable two-factor authentication, perform full malware scan on my PC, because in session storage, the local storage, the data was stored, and then eventually it got hacked, and um, eventually it was so what key was that? Let me tell you that as well. So this key, I think I've made through SSH key. Okay, and here I've made a key. Not here. I have made that key somewhere else. I'm not able to recall it. Um, Here in developer settings, I gone into, and then I added personal access token. Okay, and then I added classic token. So through this classic token, the hack that classic token was having admin privileges, because that extension here it was showing, but I removed it because it is kind of malicious. I never thought of that. I'll made application and it will lose some data. So this is like beauty of computer science, software engineering, because you don't know what will happen in what way, but this is what it happened. And then eventually uh just GitHub returned me my account. I so much thankful to GitHub. um a lot more projects were there on the account, and I eventually lost my focus. But yeah, it came back, and here you can see my 49 repositories. A lot more projects are there. You know, here it is hacker rank submissions. For this, I I was cooked for like 15 days. Okay, so this is like job portal, and you know what? I started the neural network as well. I think I would suggest upcoming like fresher peoples to learn about neural networks, because it is that more important, because nowadays AI is here, so we need to learn a lot more things, and we need to focus as less we can into software means development field, because AI is able to develop, AI is able to think as well. So that's what I think. And okay, so thank you for watching this video. And if you really feel that some you got something valuable, so make sure like, share, and subscribe.